Okay, so in this question we're told that there are 40 students in a club. 3/8 of the students have a dog. 30% of the students have a cat. So how many students do not have a dog or a cat? Okay, so 3/8 have a dog. So 3/8 times by the 40. Okay, and we can look on that as being 40 over 1. Right, now I can do some cancelling here. So 8 goes into itself once, and it goes into 45 times. So 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. So that means that 15 students have a dog. Okay, next part says 30% of the students have a cat. So 30% of 40. Right, so if we're doing it without a calculator, we can think 10% is equal to, so divide by 10 is equal to 4. So 30% is equal to 3 lots of 4. So that means 12 students have the cat and 15 have the dog. Okay, so how many students do not have a dog or a cat? Right, so what we're doing is we're adding up the 15 plus the 12. So we've got 27, and we're going to subtract that from 40. So 40 minus the 27 is equal to 13. So that means that 13 students do not have a dog or a cat. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.